Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop buffering and speed up your Firestick. Also, if you stream a lot, using a VPN like NordVPN can seriously help reduce buffering, improve streaming speeds, and even unlock more content. There's a link in the description where you can try NordVPN at a great price. I'll mention more about that later, but for now, let's get started. Start by navigating all the way to the right and selecting the Settings tab. A menu will pop up at the bottom half of your screen. Let's scroll down together. The first thing I want to show you is one of the most impactful changes you can make. Head over to My Fire TV, then select About and scroll down to check for updates. I can't tell you how many times I've had performance issues with my Firestick, and simply checking for and installing an update has made everything run a lot smoother. Keeping your device updated is absolutely essential for optimal performance. Once you've done that, press the back button twice to return to the main settings menu. Next, scroll to Preferences. Within this section, select Privacy Settings. The first option you'll see is Manage Sharing from Apps. Go ahead and open that and turn off Share Viewing and Content. Now go back and look for Device Usage Data. This setting sends information between your Firestick and Amazon continuously. Turn this off to reduce unnecessary background activity. Then disable Collect App Usage Data. Another setting to turn off is Interest-Based Ads. Disabling this also prevents your Firestick from using extra processing power to tailor ads based on your usage, helping speed things up. Once that's done, go back again and locate Data Usage Monitoring. Make sure it's turned off. Now, go into Notifications and enable Do Not Interrupt, which will silence unnecessary alerts and help maintain smoother performance. Back out again and look for Featured Content. This is the video or promotional content that plays at the top of your Firestick home screen. Open it and turn off both the Video Autoplay and Audio Autoplay options. Disabling these stops media from playing automatically, which reduces load and speeds things up. Now let's move on to Applications. Select Manage Installed Applications. If you've had your Firestick for a while, you've probably installed tons of apps. The more apps you have, the more storage gets eaten up, and that slows things down. In this section, you'll see all the apps installed on your device. Apps that come preloaded from Amazon can't be deleted, but you can still force stop them or clear their data and cache. For the apps you've installed yourself, especially ones you no longer use, you can uninstall them completely. Just scroll to the app, select it, choose Uninstall, and then confirm. Clearing out unused apps will free up valuable space, and the more space your Firestick has available, the faster it will run. Before we finish, if you're planning on installing third-party apps or streaming content, using a VPN like NordVPN can be a smart move. It can help you protect your privacy, avoid buffering due to throttling, and even unlock content that might be restricted in your region. There's a link in the description where you can try NordVPN for a great price.